Welcome to Small Star Kids. Let's play, learn, and have fun. Let's start.
Choo choo, all aboard the train. Baby Shark's here to sing again. Come on, friends, let's have some fun. The ride is just beginning. Come on, everyone. Baby Shark and Pinkfong too. Riding the train, what's new with you? Through the forest, past the sea. Clap your hands, sing along with me. Move to the left, move to the right. Dance with us, it feels so right. Spin around and jump real high. It's the Baby Shark ride, oh my. Choo choo, we've arrived back home. Thanks for riding with Baby Shark, now let's go. Sing and dance, don't say goodbye. We'll see you next time, don't be shy.
Bye-bye, see you soon. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.